I'm Dr. Mudit Khanna, Consultant Joint Replacement Orthopedic Surgeon at the South Mumbai unit of Wockhardt Hospitals. Today, I will be trying to explain what a dual mobility hip means. There has been a lot of talk recently about dual mobility hip replacements, and a number of people are not really aware of what a dual mobility hip replacement really means. So now, to explain what a dual mobility hip really means, let's go back to a standard hip replacement. Now, in a standard hip replacement, we have a femoral component or femoral stem, and we have a ball on top of the femoral stem. We have a socket and we have a liner, and the ball moves on the liner. So we have a single ball that moves on a liner in the socket. Now, a dual mobility hip is a hip which has essentially two balls. So, dual mobility means two mobilities, and dual mobility means essentially two balls. So, if you look at a dual mobility hip more closely, we have a femoral stem like we had in a normal implant. We have an inside ball and we have a larger outside ball. So once the inner ball moves into its direction, once it has completed its range of motion, there is a bigger ball that can move. So if you look at the socket here, the inner ball moves, and once the inner ball has completed its movement, the outer ball moves. Now, a dual mobility hip has been associated with lesser risk of dislocations. One of the risk factors after a hip replacement is dislocation of the hip. Dislocation of the hip essentially means that the ball can pop out of the socket in extremes of movement. So if there is a single mobility ball, it is relatively easier for the ball to pop out of the socket and result in a complication known as dislocation. While if you have a dual mobility hip, once the inner ball has completed its movement, it's the outer ball that starts moving, thereby reducing the risk of dislocation. If you wish to know more about which kind of implant may be a better choice for your hip replacement, please feel free to come and visit us so that we can explain this to you in more detail.